All right, good morning. The futures are trading 10.99.50. Got as high as 11. Oh gosh, they got 11.0250 again, pushing up 8 here pre-market. They were up 11. So nearing that recent high, the high of the year, 11.03. And again, we've been talking about this chart for a while. We had a little pullback. I thought and still think until we have a new high that we could test this 1065, 1055 area, but we shall see. Today, if we get a new high and we close above that new high, 1120 is definitely in the cards, and possibly higher for the Turkey rally and Santa Claus rally, and then the New Year rally. So, again, I don't see anything slowing this market down right now. However, I'm looking at a longer-term chart of the Russell. The Russell is still trading right now, the TF, if you look at the TF contract, trading right around 590, up 1% here pre-market, up 5 points. But you can see it is still a solid 35 points or 7% below its year high. So we're seeing some lags in this market still, and a lot of confusion still reigns. Oil, the CL contract is trading 688, up 53 cents here. Again, that was trading down to the 75s, which was the breakout area. So oil still looks higher unless it gets back under 75. The story is simply the dollar. The dollar, again, down 31 cents here, trading 71.11, traded down to 75. Still may need 74 to 71st before we can see a bottom put in there. So watching oil, we are long cocoa, 31. It's gapped up here about 11 cents here, 31.45, and it did hit 31.90 overnight. So watching cocoa doing very well. The ZB, we've been short a small amount of the ZB, which is the longer-term 30-year bonds, and that looks like that trade probably will stop out today. It's just not. It should be going down as interest rates should be rising, but they are not. So, again, somewhere on the new high here, this will be stopped out, and just showing you the ZB contract here. We were trying to short it the last few days up into this range 119s, but it is breaking out and looking higher again now, and the 30-year bonds are looking higher, which means, again, lower interest rates. 10-year doing the same thing. Just look at the 10-year real quick. The ZN and the ZN contract also has been rising. That's a little nearer to where it was. 119.70 was the 30-day high. So we're approaching all these highs again on these interest rates, which are lower interest rates, and we'll see what happens after the first of the year. Banking index again lagging. BKX, that's interesting to watch again. I'm watching banks and the Russell for signs as we go forward this week. Retail sales were already out this morning, not as high as expected. Of course, they sold more cash for clunkers because of the cars. Bernanke speaking today at 12:15. You got 1, 2, 3 Fed heads today, tomorrow, 4 Fed heads tomorrow, and we've got Philly Fed Thursday and core PPI on Wednesday, and leading indicators, natural gas Friday, or nothing on Friday. So that's it. Pretty light, again, news week, so should be to the upside. Peace.